Many of today's ovens have a self-cleaning feature. When setting your oven to this cycle, always start by removing the shelves. The oven will heat to extremely high temperatures for several hours, and it will turn stuck-on food to ash. These high temperatures will also dull the shelves' shiny appearance and make the shelves more difficult to slide. The shelves can be cleaned separately with dish soap and water. A degreasing dish soap is best. Once the oven has cooled for several hours, sweep up the ash. If your oven isn't self-cleaning, there are spray-on oven cleaning products available. Most have a foaming action that will loosen grease and food. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for applying and removing your particular product. When the interior is clean and the racks returned, the outside panel can be cleaned with a mild detergent and buff-dried with a towel. If you have a stainless steel oven, it's best to clean the exterior with a product specially formulated for this purpose for best results. For more detailed information about this and many other projects, check out the DIY Projects and Ideas section of HomeDepot.com or talk to one of our store associates.